Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 4.4 P530 V8 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with then, you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss grey finish, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats now, you can find rear seat entertainment for any passengers you are travelling with, and as well as this you can find the lovely ebony upholstery, really adding a feel of luxury and sophistication. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. Moving to the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 21,711 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. The vehicle also features head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature that allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have your 4x4 information, along with your terrain response modes, ride height and of course weight sensing, making this vehicle suited for most off-road terrain. And if you do go off-road, ensuring that you stay safe and comfortable throughout, with the added feature of an off-road camera. You also have your 360 view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, along with heated and cooled front seats, along with a dual zone climate control, ensuring you always travel at a comfortable temperature no matter what. The front seats are also massage seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 4.4 P530 V8 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.